Oh, there you go. What? 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 Really high. The ice cubes. It's cold. What are you doing? What? Whoa! What is going on here? We got a chocolate mess. What on a train? A train? Is there a train?
Yes, there is a train right behind you.
What?
Raymond.
What do you mean? Who says that?
A bear.
A bear? Wait, you talking about that bear?
Yeah.
What does he say?
He said,
Oh, I don't know if he says that. What does that bear say?
it will be
What do you think it says? He goes, I want a Pepsi Coke. Huh? You want a Pepsi Coke? Huh? Look at this. Look at that bear walked right up to mommy. What does mommy have that we don't? Bigger than Stonewall.
Tiger the one bigger than Stonewall.
What's that other one have? And then he's gonna lay down. She's gonna lay down and eat that bone. Get out of town. What? Go ahead. No, just put your hand out there. Put your hand out further. What? What?
He's nibble.
Nibble, nibble.
The duck.
A duck? Oh, can I have it?
No, you can't eat them. No! No!
Everyone, see him go eat it. See him go eat it.
No!
No?
Just put it in his hands. No, just put it in his hands. No.
What? I can't eat it.
Oh.
What do you say, Dean?
Whoa.
Hold it out there for him. Hold it out there. That's it. Oh, no, throw it. You threw it. What was that? I don't have no more, Dean.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
What are you doing now? What is he? What? Where's he going? He's going right down. What?
That goose.
Whoa, you almost hit the whale.